Hey guys, my video I made yesterday of unboxing my headphones, my Skull Candy 50/50 headphones. I said I was gonna make a video of unboxing my new laptop keyboard. Speaking of a laptop, here it is right here. If I can get it undone from the chair, there we go. Here's my laptop right here. The keyboard right here. Just came in like 2 seconds ago. I just got in the door like 2 seconds ago too. From shopping and stuff. So yeah, got my razor knife here, right there. And today is Monday, January 16th. It was supposed to come in tomorrow, January 17th, which is a Tuesday, but it came in today, which is fine with me because I get it a day early. Alright, here we go. Gotta find out how to. This right here, I can do it right here, I guess. Right there. Okay. Alright. It's getting better and better every time. Alright, make sure it's in the picture. Here's the thingamajigger for it. Tracking stuff and everything else, which you probably put that right here. There it is right here. This is just packaging things and stuff. Here's the keyboard right here. Alright. Put that aside. Putting the best, the most thing that, the thing that I'm actually most important in this video aside. Yeah. So that's all we really need for this video right here. This over here. Okay, put that in my laptop over here. I could probably show you guys here. As you can see, the keys are just all a little messed up and stuff, and just old, and I'm missing a key right there too, so I kind of replaced it. So yeah. Let's open this thing up. And it has a tension thing, whatever, right here. I just rip that apart. I don't really want to use a razor for this, but if I have to, I will. Just kind of hit that. Hit that once. There you go. Done. Oh my gosh. Alright. Look at that. Alright. You can tell his new keyboard. Yeah. Alright. That goes on here. Like that. And this one. Alright. I'm gonna end the video and try and get some. Make a video of it on the laptop when I get it on. If I can get it on. Alright. Rate, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace.